So we'll take a look at another part now that we have to prep. That we'll have to fill in some of the surfaces here, just to kind of get rid of these cavities. So we got kind of a shape to work with, and sort of like a pre-trimmed shape. So we could use this trim editor, works just great. And all I have to do is click a couple spots there, and we should be able to fill in the area using this simplify tool here. So there's a bunch of little toolbars there. Fill in from here to here. There you go. All right, and once we're here, you can simply just right click, say boom, remove holes. Done. It's gone. Same thing here. Click on this. We'll remove these holes. All gone. Fill this in just with a couple clicks from there to there. And we'll have to go auto back, and we'll do the same thing. There you go. And I must have misclicked somewhere there. And then here, we'll do that same. And a junction tool. Go ahead and figure this out from here to here. Fill in that surface. All right, and then we can just fill in the rest, and we're done. Oh, we still got a little bit more left there. So we'll go ahead and treat that one here. Let's get our points in here. There you go. All right. Okay, all filled in. And then if we have to go over here to these, to the circles, there's a corner tool that'll, let's simplify here. When you treat this corner, it'll recreate that corner automatically. Do the same thing here. Click those 2 points, and we'll connect the dots over here as well. And then all we have to do is fill this in as well, from here to here. Okay. So it's all prepped and ready to go.